personally prefer men being clean shaven. I think first of all, that
First step that you take onto the field. Before that, the confidence that you pump yourself up with. I'm sure the first step to that is, of course, being clean shaven and being well groomed and trimmed before you even step onto the field to face your competitors.
I think just, personally for me, being clean shaven just makes you feel good. It just makes you feel really good in the morning when you shave with your, Gillette sort of shaver. You shave with the Gillette foam. You just feel good about yourself. You feel good about your body. I guess you feel good about your face. So you approach the day and you approach the challenges of the day, I think, with a renewed level of confidence.
Now, in various fields, people say that you should have a sportsman spirit or a discipline like sports people have. So, does shaving come under that discipline? That you go through a rigorous routine yourself through the day, but as a matter of habit, as a matter of discipline that you inculcate within yourself, that you wake up in the morning, you first shave, make sure that you are looking good, you're looking groomed, and then step out. So as a habit, as a sportsman spirit, that goes into it.
I don't think I would use the word discipline with shaving, because I think discipline sort of means hard work and thing. But I think shaving in the morning, especially, I feel good about it, and I don't really think it's hard work. I kind of really enjoy it. I get up in the morning and I really want to shave and feel good about myself. So I really enjoy that. So I don't really see it as a discipline. I just see it as a really good habit to follow.
And of course, I mean, with a tool like the Gillette Mark III Turbo, it's very, very easy. It takes hardly a couple of minutes, so it's definitely not hard work there.
It's a phenomenal shaving system, and that's the beauty of Gillette. I think they always innovating, always coming up with new products. So the Gillette Mark III Turbo is a sensational product. It's a product that I've used, and I think that's one of the things about endorsing Gillette or being a brand ambassador for Gillette. It's a product that you actually use every single day.
So there you go. Both of our icons have stressed on the need to be prepared for any opportunity that comes your way. And, well, today we've got another wonderful, a beautiful opportunity that is here with us backstage, of course. But it's my honor now to introduce to you the very beautiful, the very, very talented, and our latest member of the Gillette family. Ladies and gentlemen, the very, very talented actor, Kriti Sanon. Welcome, Kriti. Welcome to the Gillette family. It's great to have you here with us.
Thank you so much, Anuj, and thank you for the lovely words.
Kriti, tell me, we're discussing luck versus confidence. We're discussing, and you've come up with a very, very simple and yet very important question. Will you shave?
Yes.
So now tell me, how does that make a difference to you when a man is clean shaven?
Well, I was hearing the whole conversation about luck and about being prepared. And I personally believe that, for luck also to get you something, you need to be prepared and ready for it. You need to be prepared to seize the opportunity that comes your way. And you never know when that opportunity is really going to knock. There are so many times that we are not expecting anything, and we're just probably standing on the roadside, or we're boarding a flight or anything, and we bump into someone, and then we feel that, oh my God, I'm not looking the best today. So I think, why not look your best every day? Why not be prepared and look confident every day? I think I personally prefer men being clean shaven. I think, first of all, that lazy stubble kind of feels like you've not probably taken a shower today. And I think the moment a man is clean shaven, he's feeling good about himself, and that shows in the confidence. So that feel-good factor for everyone is very important. Confidence is the best accessory anyone can wear. I think it just makes your day. So for me, personally, I'm here to advocate the clean-shaven look for men. And in my family, my father, my grandparents, my grandfather, everyone was always, they had that clean-shaven look. I think as kids, also, we bond more. Like, I remember a small incident with my Nanaji, that he used to have a bit of stubble and mustache and all. And I never used to let him kiss me because it used to irritate me on my cheek. So he actually went ahead and he shaved off his mustache, he shaved off his whole stubble for me to let him kiss me. And my father's always been clean shaven. I think even one day when he doesn't shave, it starts showing like he's not taken a shower. So yeah, I just prefer, I'm in that 75% category of women who prefer men being clean shaven.
Well, that's very inspiring, actually. Nanaji also had to shave before he kissed his granddaughter. And just saying, I'm also clean shaven today, completely. Just saying. But like I said, a very, very simple, very important question. Will you shave? Are you prepared for the opportunity? Because, you never know. Nowadays, we've got a lot of the selfie epidemic going on. And you never know when opportunity strikes you. And I have an opportunity here to take a selfie with Kriti. And before I post it on social media, I'm just glad I've clean shaven.
So easy to shave, and I think one of the beauties of the blade is that it just sort of adjusts to the contours of your face. It's easy, just glides, glides on your cheek. It really gives you a comfortable, smooth shave, which I think is fantastic. I mean, just the technology that Gillette keeps innovating with, keeps coming up with, is absolutely phenomenal.
Arbaz, how's your experience with the Gillette Mark III Turbo Bane? I mean, you were...
How was my experience?
Yeah?
Fantastic. I think this is one of the newer razors which is, constantly innovating and bringing in new stuff. I think Gillette has done a fantastic razor. It gives a very smooth, clean, close shave.
So the